Welcome to video 88 in series 3, and in this video we're just going to go and download the gun assets. Okay, so head over to the asset store and search for a couple of things. First of all, modern weapons pack. So go ahead and download and import this package here. Soldier sounds pack. And it'll be this one right here, so go and get this too. Download, import that. Then search for post-apocalypse gun demo. That's also another sound pack, so go ahead and get that as well. And finally search for weapon HQ, and it'll be number 4. So this one, the free one, which is the pistols. So go ahead and download that and import all of them. Okay, so once you've imported all of them, you'll find them here. There's a couple of folders. Now you could have gone and downloaded anything else. There are heaps of really good free weapon models out there on the asset store. So you could have gone and got a bunch of other ones, but these ones are really good as well. Anyway, let me go ahead and drag all of these, drop them into imported. So that just helps me identify which asset packages I've imported. Now what we need to do is to go in, change the materials. Since a lot of these were made pre-Unity 5, I think maybe all of them are, we have to go and change the materials so that they're up to date. So let's go ahead and do that. So search by type and search by material. So that's really convenient. And you can find straight away there's something here, this one of the weapons. It's using a legacy shader. So what I will do is, so that you can see the effect of what I'm about to do, I will actually drag in one of the weapons. So go to the modern weapons pack, go to the M4A1, the FBX file, and drop it into the scene. Let's go and have a look at it. Let's bring it up a bit. Okay, so that's how it looks right now with the legacy shader. So let's go back and sort that by material. Okay, and here it is. These are the M4A1 materials. And what I'm going to do is change it from the legacy shader bump specular to the standard specular setup. Okay, and then for the specular color, I'm just going to simply set it down to black. And the smoothness, well, I can tone it down a little bit or leave it there. I might just tone it down and see what it does. I'll just leave it about there. Okay, so that gives us an appearance that's almost like what it originally looked like. And it's now using an up-to-date shader. So go ahead and do that for each of them. So I'll just do a couple more so you can see what I'm doing. Just drag that like that. Again, for this too, once again. Just set all the specular colors right down. Otherwise, it looks all funny and white. I like that. Oops, not standard specular. Just set it down. Okay, and some of them are just fine, because those are the standard assets. Some here are a bit more different. So, for example, this legacy shader. Let's have a look and change it to transparent. So you just saw that. I just changed that to transparent. Now I just had a thought about the golem too. Actually, I was looking at it, and the golem looks a little bit better in the standard specular setup with the specular color brought right down. It looks a bit more like how it was originally intended to look. Keep on going with that. So this one too. Change it from the legacy shader specular, and just put it here to that. Okay. Alright, so let's keep going. I might just tell you to go on your own and just set that. So let's just quickly go through a few more. Just make sure that I'm not like missing anything that I should tell you. And that's pretty much it, really. Now this is also, let's change that to standard. Just bring it down to black. Okay. This other item. Okay, so this one is just diffuse. Once again, if it's a diffuse, it means it's not at all got any shininess to it. So in that case, just set the smoothness right down, and then you'll get the same effect. Once again, another shader that's like that. So once again, just set it right down and set the smoothest value right down. Okay, you just go ahead and just keep on doing that until you reach the end. Okay, so I've gone through and done all of them. So as I just said, the only reason why you're setting it all down the way I'm doing it is so that you can get that original appearance that was intended with those models. That's all it is. And okay, so that's it for this video. We're gonna set up the M4A1 model, and we'll continue that in the next video. Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you then.